Best DIY Sauna. Number 1. Radiant DIY Sauna. Far infrared heat provides relief to your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. This slim, two-person sauna room is built for small spaces. Its minimal footprint fits snugly within your master bathroom, bedroom, basement, or gym. Enjoy the health benefits of regular sauna used right in your own home. As you relax in this luxurious sauna, your body works hard to keep your temperature down, burning calories and slimming your waist. Increased sweat production removes harmful toxins from your body.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Smash DIY Sauna. As an oversized yet high-quality sauna spa, shipping via LTL curbside and signature requested. Seller needs to confirm consignee's phone hash and address before scheduling shipment. Phone not working and unreachable will result in delivery pushback even undeliverable. Carrier may fail to reach consignee unless the experienced buyer would actively reach our carrier for final delivery appointment. This way you could get your item quicker. Material: kiln-dried premium hemlock wood, 2-person inner space size for 1.5 to 1.9 meters, 4.9 to 6.2 feet, tall person, seat weight capacity 660 pounds, 300 kilograms.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Aleco DIY Sauna. Aleco's cedarwood steam sauna is an outdoor sauna and indoor sauna, made with crack and shrink resistant wood. Steam machine includes lava stones for personal heat and steam adjustment. Aleco personal sauna perfect for home use. Dimensions 6.9 foot x 5.5 foot x 6.2 foot. Adjustable temperature range 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Heated by premium electric sauna heat. Easy to use. Sauna accessories included: pre-built ventilation holes, control panel, and dial control operator. Aleco Cedar Barrel Sauna with tempered glass door. Harvey a 6 kilowatt sauna heater, lamp plus lampshade.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Botaro DIY Sauna. This item will be delivered curbside. To have the item delivered to a location of choice on your property, kindly make additional arrangements with a third-party provider ahead of delivery. 6 heating panels, 2 on the rear wall, 1 on each side wall, 1 under the bench and 1 on the floorboard. Easy to use interior control panel that displays sauna temperature and time functions. Feet reflexology heating system floor heater. Interior reading lamp as well as an MP3O connection and built-in speakers. Operates up to a maximum 140 F. Ideal operating temperature between 120 F to 130 F.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Heatwave DIY Sauna. Enjoy the benefits of regular sauna used right in your own home. This 2-person sauna offers the ultimate in luxury, with a spacious interior that allows you to relax with ease. An integrated audio system provides crystal clear sound. Far infrared heat rejuvenates your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. Eastern hemlock scar-resistant and hypoallergenic properties make it the ideal wood for sauna construction. This durable wood is an excellent insulator, keeping your heat contained within your sauna room.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.